Alright, let's cut this big watermelon using this cutting board, which is perfect. First, I'm going to go half of it because I can't fit the whole thing here. So we're going to go half. There we go. Beautiful watermelon. Normally I would cut it sideways, like the sides, shave it off, but today I can't do that. Because of the amount of space. This is a big watermelon, that's why. But it's okay. We're still gonna cut it. That. Reduce the size of it because it's huge. Alright, that's perfect. Now, what I like to do is just come through here. Like that. Put this on the trash. Taste this first, too. I would use a knife, but I started with this one already.